Hey everybody, today is Saturday, July 3rd, 2010, and the runtime test platform project continues. Ran into a little bit of a problem with the seal around the top of the mason jar, or the I don't know, the pickle jar, if you will. Evidently the pressure was not being applied evenly enough across the gasket, and I was getting quite a bit of fuel leakage on the top of the carburetor right here. You can see that I have added a little bit of fuel, and the secondary fuel reservoir, or the fuel bowl, worked exactly as I had anticipated. The level is just at the right level. I didn't have to make any adjustments to that at all. My mixture adjustment screw is at 1 3/4 turns out, and that appears to be about right for the engine to run. Added a kill switch here, which is just a push button normally open switch, and somewhere around here, yeah, here's the bottom of the old air cleaner assembly. I can actually take and assemble the air cleaner back onto this bad boy. I've had it on already once before. So when this project is complete and I want to use this thing for long-term runs, I can reassemble the air cleaner to it as well. Kind of cool. So managed to get that. Let's get it started and see how well it runs. I've got a little bit of fuel in the bottom of the glass jar. What will happen is when I apply the choke, that additional vacuum signal will bring the fuel up into the upper fuel bowl, and then it will draw the fuel from there into the venturi of the carburetor. Okay, then my fuel leak problem at the top of the carburetor appears to have been resolved. I was able to put some thick metal washers underneath the lid to compress it against the base of the carburetor, which gave me a nice even seal. I'm not going to bother to allow the fuel bowl to completely empty itself out, because that'll help me get it started more quickly the next time around. Incidentally, when I originally ran this test jig down at the APEC 2009 show, the way I took my data sets was I first took a set of data with the engine under full load with the driving lamps, with the engine under full load with the driving lamps plus the load of the HHO generator, without re-injecting the HHO, which of course increased the gasoline consumption, and then a third set of readings with the HHO generator connected and the HHO re-injected back into the engine, which got me, without making any adjustments to the mixture, approximately a little over halfway back to my baseline of full load with no HHO generator, no HHO re-injected. So that was a very positive outcome. What I hope now to be able to do is to adjust the mixture for the presence of HHO while the engine is running on the load to optimize the fuel mixture with HHO and hopefully realize a net gain. That's the goal. And I will be taking additional sets of data besides the first three to validate that hypothesis. That's it for now. Zero fossil fuel. I hope you're enjoying the project. Catch you later. Peace, everyone.